look out your window. Delivery is complete. Remember, we are so excited for you to get the project started, but we do need you to look at any shortages or damages within our 14-day policy. That enables us enough time to be able to get you any product that you need to be able to get it completed. Even if you have a preferred builder coming, you as the client are responsible to make sure that everything is ready for them. And again, giving us enough time to be able to get you anything that may be short or damaged. We cannot thank you enough for now being part of our DIY family. We hope we exceeded your expectations. If we did, please go online and leave us a great review. Always remember, we are here. If there's any concerns along the way, we want to make them right. God bless and have a great one.